Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, brand new update here on Tesla, ticker TSLA. Trading here now at $332, and we have to check the price section. I give you a full chart analysis here. Everything what I say is based on the chart and of course not financial advice. First of all guys, happy Thanksgiving and a blessed day for you and your families. I wish you nothing but the best, guys. I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching this video here, that you spent the time to click here and check out what I have to say. So then let's start with the chart, guys. We have here some very interesting price action for Tesla. If you didn't see my previous videos, I mentioned already here a couple of months ago that I see here a bullish reversal, a bullish breakout for Tesla, and that the price goal here is $402.67. Why? Because we have here one only open up gap in the chart at $402.67. That means based on the actual price of $332, we have here a potential gain of at least 20%, and of course it's also possible that Tesla creates new all-time highs. We had here this very strong downtrend. The overall bear market started here in November 2021 after we had a very successful bull run in 2020 and 2021. Most of the stocks pulled back here since November 2021, and so did Tesla. So when I enable now my drawings, then we know that we had here a potential breakout. I said that already here back in September and October here, in August and September, that I expect here a bullish breakout. The bottom was here at $139 was in, of course, before we traded here at $100 in the $100 range, and I explain you why that happened here. I know here are a lot of lines in the chart, so we disable now here the indicators. But if you also want to understand, guys, how trading works and how the algos trade those tickers here, where you spot entry and exit signals, that's why I always recommend to use a strong chart program, and I always use here TradingView, guys. Everything what you see here is based on TradingView, and you have a lot of indicators which help you to spot liquidity zones or even trend channels like that. If you also want to get TradingView, guys, there is a very special limited offer right now, because I can offer you here 70% discount. This is only lasting for 1 or 2 more days. This is a Black Friday offer. When you choose the premium tier for TradingView, you save 70% and you get 1 month for free. That means just $16.69, and you can use 13 months here, the premium tier of TradingView. If you want to take that chance, guys, I really highly recommend that. This is not to selling here something. I always use TradingView for all my videos and all my trades since many years, and that helps you to become successful in trading, guys. So if you want to get access to the 70% discount link, you can click here on the info icon in the corner. Then you can access this, guys, and save here 70% on the premium tier. So Tesla, guys, I mentioned that already, that the make it or break it price level here in my previous videos is $231. This is the make it or break it price level in favor for the bulls or the bears. It depends where the price is. So when I call about these price levels, that means when the price is trading above $231, this is in favor for the bulls. When we trading here below that, it is in favor for the bears. You can see that we have very strong reactions every time when we hit this price level. We see a lot of gap ups and gap downs here. That's why I know that the algos are waiting here, but I saw how the pattern was building up. That's why I said already here back in October that I expect a huge bull run, a breakout here for Tesla, and that this is the dip. Why? Because when we zoom out here, back in 2021, when here the peak was in, the all-time high was here $414 for Tesla. Then we see that this trend channel pattern here, I mean, you could even call it a bull flag when you see the overall pattern, but I like to call them bearish trend channel patterns or descending trend channel patterns, which are bearish in a short term here. I mean, short term is here a period of almost 3 years, but we know that when we break out here to the upside, that the next bull run is getting to be initiated here, and that was also the case for Tesla. So this yellow trend line here controlled the price to the upside. We have some liquidity zones here in between where the sellers and buyers are waiting, the algos, guys, and that's why it was for me personally very predictable that we will see here a squeeze for Tesla. And since the bottom was in here, I mean, we're talking here about a stock with $1.07 trillion market capital. This is just crazy. And when we see here, since April 2024, so in the same year, the bottom was one of the bottoms in at $137. We squeezed already here 162%. So very good, very profitable. But That is nothing, guys, compared to some hot stocks which I show here on my channel. What I'm doing here is, of course, to educate you in trading. This is my main purpose, but my mission is to predict short squeezes. And for that, I upload every week on Sunday my finest selection of short squeeze stocks. I call those tickers the hot stocks, guys. And when I release those videos here on Sunday, that means that I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next days. I presented 3 tickers this week, guys, or last week on Sunday. And already this week we had 2 big short squeezes here. The first squeeze was 109%. That was this ticker here. You can see that was the date when I released my hot stock video. And exactly here the ticker started to squeeze 109%. And then yesterday we had even a bigger squeeze. This one here squeezed 200. It was in total even 270%. But when I made this screenshot here, this ticker also, this was the day when I released my video. And then just 2 days later here, we had a 270 or 242% short squeeze, guys. And as I said, I released the video here where I said I expect these tickers to squeeze. So yes, it is possible to predict short squeezes in the market. If you want to see those hot stocks, guys, these very special short squeeze stocks, then you can of course join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here which you get. And if you want to join in, guys, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced trader. Everybody is welcome, and you can use also the info icon here in the corner to get access to the Patreon member link. So guys, what do I expect for Tesla? So we have to acknowledge that the market is very overheated right now. So it's just a matter of time, in my opinion, until we see a pullback. It is possible, yeah, there is a chance that we see something happening like back here in 2020 and 2021, where we just had here a huge bull run. But in my opinion, yeah, we have a lot of all-time highs. Tesla has still room to go. I think it is even possible to see new all-time highs, but be careful, guys. I never recommend to FOMO in, because when something shoots up straight like this here to the upside, when we for a second here switch off here our drawings, guys, you can see that how we gapped up here, and the gap ups, guys, I absolutely don't like them at all. I don't like gap ups. Why? Because when something is gapping up, then usually the market makers will try to close these gaps. You can see we had the same here back in 2020. We gapped up here from $124 all the way back up here to $414, and you can see all these orange fields here, guys. Yeah, all these orange fields are open gaps, and you can see step by step, slowly we closed all these open gaps here before Tesla finally find its bottom at $100. So keep that in mind. The open down gaps in the daily chart which we have is $324, $255, and $218. So if we shoot up here to $400 even higher, it is possible that we lose here 50% if the market turns bearish, or even more. So be careful and be aware about that. So never hesitate to take your profits, guys. This is not a financial advice. This is just what the chart is telling us, and the algos leave here some hidden signals in the chart. For now, guys, the make it or break it price level is $320, guys. This here is the price level where I expect, as long as we trade over $320, I think a squeeze or a new all-time highs are possible. At least I expect that Tesla is going up to $402 to close this open gap here. But I think it's even possible to create new all-time highs when we trade below that here, because what we can see right now here is $320, and you can see the last time that we hit here the EMA lines. I will now switch off again the drawings. Here, that was 5th of November, guys. So here almost 20 trading days. We never touched anymore here the EMA lines. Now for the first time ever, we touched again the EMA line. So that is a very bullish squeeze. But as I said, this is not very healthy. We have to retest the moving averages here to see that the support is still there. And you can see that for the last, I think even almost here, at least 6 months now here, we have a very, very strong support at the EMA lines here. Here was one fake out. And that means, guys, the bottom for Tesla would now be here at $235 based on the EMA 200-day line, which is the black line here. I personally, guys, don't focus too much on EMA lines. For me, the technical bottom is and was always $231, no matter what the EMA lines are doing. I think this is the make it or break it price level, but for now we are still squeezing. Everything over $320 is bullish. We could see here a candle wick or a fake out back to $315 that we retest this EMA line, but everything below that, guys, I would be very careful, because that could be a stronger pullback, and then we need to recover and we need more volume to break again $320. Yo, guys, that was my very quick update here for Tesla. I hope that was helpful. I hope you could learn something. If you also want to copy the price levels here, guys, as I said, everything is based here on TradingView. Then you can just pause the video, get yourself the 70% discount link, guys, and then you can copy all the drawings here from my chart. I thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you a great day. If you like this content, if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button, guys. I would really appreciate that. All the best for you and your families, and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.